I just received a couple packages, one from Joel over at Radio Fire Diecast, and one from Santa Slowdog. I have an idea what's in this one, kind of, sort of, because at the Diecast exchange, excuse me while I'm opening this, we had a live stream yesterday, and there were 10 or 11 of us there. And Joel was one of the people there, and I mentioned to him about the package arriving. So he gave me an idea what's in here. If I can get this open. And this sounds pretty exciting. There's a letter. Hi, Jim. I found a cool 3D skull model that prints well on my resin printer, so I thought I would help you out with your skull inventory. I also included some other 3D printed goodies I thought you might like. Best regards, Joel. Okay, cool. Yeah, and there's his sticker for his channel. Yeah, I have an FDM 3D printer, kind of like fishing line printer. And it doesn't do skulls naturally as well as a resin printer would. So any skulls are appreciated. If I can get this open. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Oh, some of them are clear. Oh, that's cool. I don't know how well you can see these in the video. But yeah, there's a boatload of skulls there. The clear ones are trippy. That's wild. Okay. For the original twin mill, oh, scoops. The intake things. Fits super twin mill. Okay. For trailer, for trailer displays. Those are super tiny little jack stands. If my eyes are seeing those, right? I mean, this stuff is tiny. Like super tiny. That's fantastic. Thanks, Joel. And I definitely will be including these in challenges. I have a Silva challenge I need to box up for the Gargoyles Den Diecast. He's going to be the next one to receive the box, so I need to record that video. And then I'm actually going to be approaching you, Joel, for the next Silva challenge after that. Both you and Gargoyle are members of my channel, and so that's one of the perks that comes is you can kind of jump the list. This one's from Santa Slowdog. Let's see what's in here. I'm scared to open this one because let's just say I sent him something rather bizarre recently, and I'm wondering if this is a revenge box. And before I open this any further, I have to show you the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. There's like eyebrows, eyes, nose, and a mouth. Because he says he always opens packages from the bottom. And so I was thinking I might do that for this one so that whatever's going to jump out at me or whatever won't. But then when I saw the face, I thought, no, I'm not falling for it. I'm going to open it the normal way. So we're back to, more tape. We're back to, you should consider this trade concluded. Santa. Well, Santa, yes, I do consider the trade concluded even if this box is completely empty. But you can't say stuff like that's like writing paid in full on a check. People write paid in full on a check like it means something, and it doesn't. Got a Santa Slowdog sticker. Oh. Got a Batman sticker. Got bubble wrap. What? Okay. So there's a... He was only supposed to send me one casting for reference. Oh. But, oh, there's a little Santa on there. Okay, is that it? Yeah. Okay. Get this bubble wrap put away. No crickets jumping out, as I was warned to expect. I think this is a Santa toothpick. I guess you're supposed to put that in your brownies, or if you're trying to find out if your build is done, you stick this in it, and I guess you poke it. Anyhow, this is what he was supposed to. Oh, he put a Batman sticker on the front. This is what he was supposed to send. This is the single item in trade for a little Batman that I sent him, which this is obviously extremely... Oh, this is blocking some of the light. Let me move that. An extremely rare, ultra high dollar value, rare fire truck casting. It's obviously missing a part. Made in China. It's the ultra rare. Let's get the light so it shows it. It's the 8022. Yeah, it's that one. That one. If you know, you know. Oh, look. That's what was missing. Let's see what we have here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Weapon box. Do I? Oh! It's a little Lego dude with little Lego guns and stuff. Oh, it's a little Lego SWAT dude. Well, that's cool. Okay. It's Batman. I hope you already have this in your collection. Don't be sending me any Batmans you don't... Oh. Don't be sending me Batmans you don't have. It's Dancing Batman. And finally, what's this? Ha! Let me ask again. What's this? This is fantastic. This is too much. It looks like it should be spring-loaded, or oh, it probably fires rockets is what it does. That's wild. This needs to become something. This is... Uh-huh. Okay. Maybe someone can try. I'll use Google Translate and try and figure out what that actually says. Well, that's wild. That's pretty wild. So thank you, Santa. That's cracking me up. Oh! I have to open this. Mystery models. What do I see? Oh, it's a bone shaker. I can see it through the little window. Yep. It's Bone Shaker. That's kind of a cool looking casting. It's too bad I just never let Bone Shaker survive. Because that's my goal in life. I guess this is the collector card sticker something or other that goes with it. So there you have it. I've got these goodies from Santa. I've got these goodies from Joel. Santa, I do consider the trade concluded. Until the next one. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this. Let's dance with Batman. Dancing Batman. Cha, 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 cha. Yeah, maybe I've had too much coffee today. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.